Giveaways. If you implement it the right way, giveaways can help establish your Instagram account and brand, build loyal customers and an active audience who will share your incredible products or services with a wider audience than you can organically. Decide on what it is that you want to give away. Whatever the service, product, or experience you're giving away as your reward should be interesting to your audience. This will differ contingent on your goal. For example, if your goal is to spread awareness about product launch, you should most likely to give away the specific product as your reward. Reaching out to other similar brands is also a great idea to cross-promote. Brand partnerships are especially helpful for younger, newer businesses. Aligning yourself with other reputable businesses and outlets can help to build your credibility. Move this process along by working with brands in your industry. Exchanging content or co-hosting an event and promoting it on Instagram and other social media platforms can push your businesses way farther than doing it alone. Your content will be twice as powerful with half of the effort. Snapping photos and creating videos. If you are creating content in-house, there are tons of apps on the market that can help you get started with producing great photography and videos. Below we will outline some of the most popular apps and websites to help you jumpstart your Instagram content. For high-quality photos, Afterlight 2 is a pretty popular and powerful iOS-only photo editing solution. It's pretty affordable and offers a lot of tools to make the perfect edits. It's a flexible platform that works both for portrait shots and for capturing candid photos. A number of filters are included along with color and overlay capabilities. Lightroom is a dependable mobile version of the much-loved Adobe Suite platform. The application has a variety of presets that add a beautiful picturesque quality to your images. The free version is easy to use and has a sophisticated look, with color and lighting features that will take your Instagram photos to the next level. Even better, if you opt for the paid subscription option, you can unlock tons of more tools and features to enhance your images. If you want to start creating videos sooner than later, there is good news. There are thousands of mobile applications and web-based apps that exist now that can take your video to next level. Good news! There are a number of free and inexpensive video editing applications and tools you can download that run from super simple to powerful in-depth abilities. Some of the more popular options are listed below. Magisto is an online video editor with a web application and a mobile app for automated video editing and production for businesses and consumers. According to the website, Magisto uses artificial intelligence technology to make video editing quick and easy. InShot is a HD video editor that allows you to trim and cut video in movies, add music and video effects to stand out amongst the competition. It helps you create and edit videos with ease across multiple platforms, not just Instagram. Hyperlapse is an application that allows you to create time-lapse photography, method that enables your photographs to become motion pictures.